Pi Network has announced a strategic partnership with CiDi Games, a gaming platform building games integrated with Pi that tens of millions of pioneers can use, in addition to extending the Pi platform to support other games and developers. The partnership between Pi Network and CiDi Games is designed to expand the real-world utility of Pi and further expand and support gaming in the ecosystem. The collaboration expands Pi's real-world use cases, provides developers with a clear signal that Pi is committed to gaming at scale, and creates new opportunities for pioneers to use and engage with Pi daily. Pi's natural fit with an ongoing development of gaming serves as the foundation for the partnership and complements Pi's broader coordinated approach to ecosystem growth. Pi Network Ventures' investment in CiDi Games further strengthens the partnership. This investment aligns directly with Pi Network Ventures' mission, while providing this opportunity to the CiDi Games team that has proven experience, capability in game development and platform operations, and the vision of setting new benchmarks as the first Web3 gaming platform to achieve both scale and sustainability. By pairing Pi's global reach with CiDi Games' proven capabilities in building innovative games, the two organizations are setting the stage for a new era of Web3 gaming, one where Pi sits at the center of fun, accessible, and meaningful digital experiences. Strengthening Pi's gaming ecosystem through partnership and investment. Pi has partnered with CiDi Games because gaming fits perfectly in the Pi Network ecosystem, and gaming is a vertical Pi has already been continuously cultivating in its ecosystem. The partnership is part of Pi's broader multifaceted, strategic, and ongoing approach to ecosystem expansion, including Pi Network Ventures investments that serve to both capture more production on the network and contribute to the creation of useful and engaging products. Gaming's perfect fit in the Pi ecosystem. Games are social, interactive, have virtual economies, and universal in human experiences. We play games for entertainment. These elements mean gaming is one vertical that contains a large enough market and can thrive in Pi's global social network, a large crypto-enabled verified human community ready to engage and transact, and an ecosystem with tools to support gaming apps, developers, and businesses at scale. For example, the partnership between Pi and CiDi Games enables a feedback loop where games can attract users and traction from Pi's tens of millions of pioneers, while the utility and use cases that developers create in turn strengthen Pi's ecosystem with engagement, production, and innovation. Pi has so far supported the gaming vertical through hackathons, app incubation programs, pre-built tools, and monetization via the Pi Ad network. Pi also released FruityP, a game integrated with Pi Payments, Pi Ad network, and the Pi Wallet, showing how existing Pi features and platform level utilities support apps tangibly, sustainably, and inclusively. The partnership between Pi and CiDi Games reinforces Pi's ongoing initiative toward building out a viable self-sustaining gaming environment in the Pi ecosystem, and will take these efforts to the next level, scaling game integration, social interactions, and innovation across the network, creating new gaming and entertainment experiences in a Web3 environment. Multifaceted ecosystem development and strategic Pi Network Ventures investments. The partnership also demonstrates Pi Network Ventures' important role in Pi's broader ecosystem strategy. Strategic investments in companies like CiDi Games enable Pi Network to collaborate with experienced builders specialized in other industries, such as gaming in this case, who can contribute both individual app utilities and platform level extensions that expands what developers and pioneers can create on Pi. This is one example of Pi's multifaceted approach in backing projects that expand real-world utility across the ecosystem, ranging from grassroots development through Pi App Studio to high-signal investments through Pi Network Ventures, from hackathons to incubations, and from technical support such as the Pi SDK to ready-to-go business models like Pi Ad Network. Pi is focused on not just single products or features, but also the compounding benefits that emerge when different parts of the ecosystem, like pioneer engagement, platform growth, and developer incentives, advance together. Pi Network Ventures can partner with experienced founders and fast-growing, disruptive companies whose work reinforces and expands the benefits of the network for pioneers. The partnership with CiDi Games is a clear example of how collaboration can continue to accelerate Pi's long-term vision for a utility-driven, accessible ecosystem. CiDi Games, building Pi integrated games, and extending the Pi platform by combining CiDi Games' expertise in building innovative games with Pi's global community and comprehensive platform. This partnership creates a strong foundation for expanding Pi's real-world utility through games. CiDi Games is building a library of high-quality games for the Pi ecosystem. The company is currently developing a Hive game platform, a lightweight HTML5 game hub designed for engaging and casual gameplay. Pi will be directly integrated into CiDi Games titles, making Pi a core medium for payments, transactions, and incentives within the platform. An open framework extending the Pi platform is also being developed by CiDi Games. This provides further tools, APIs, and infrastructure for other game developers, making it easier to integrate their games with Pi and build a more unified gaming environment. The initial version of their product is scheduled for testing in Q1 2026, with development priorities on performance optimization, user feedback implementation, and ecosystem alignment. Pi Network and CiDi Games will continue to share updates as development continues. For now, this partnership represents a major stride toward expanding Pi's utility and unlocking gaming as a powerful driver of ecosystem growth.